Hello guys, my name is Tushar and I study in Satya Public School, and today I am going to tell you about solar system and about the outside world. As you can see, there is sun in the between, in the middle point of solar system, and the solar system is a family of eight planets and one star, and the star name is Sun, and the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then there is Jupiter, then there is Saturn, then there is Uranus, and then there is Neptune. These are the total 8 planets of our solar system, and you can see as there is a asteroid belt in between a solar system, and it divides the 8 planets into 2 categories, which are rocky planets and gas planets. The planets inside this asteroid belts are known as rocky planets, and the planets which are outside this asteroid belt are known as gas planets, and they are made of gas. And now let us talk about Sun. Now we will explore Sun and we will see what is Sun. So the equatorial diameter of Sun is 1.339 million kilometers, and the mass of the Sun is 1.99 into 10 raised to 30 kg. Galaxy center distance, it is 26,038 light years, and rotation period is 25 days, and galactic orbit period is 225 million years. Surface gravity is 274 meter per second square, and surface temperature is 5,778 K, which is also 5,505 Celsius. And the Sun, also referred to as Sol, is the star at the center of the solar system. Sun's mass accounts for some 99.86 of the total mass of the solar system, and this is it is also known as yellow dwarf. And next to Sun, now we come to Mercury, which is the nearest planet to the Sun, and it is very hot. Now we will see about Mercury. Equatorial diameter of Mercury is 4,879 kilometers. The mass of Mercury is 3.3 into 10 raised to the power 23 kg. Mean distance from Sun is 60.2 million kilometers. It means that the distance from Sun of Mercury is 60.2 million kilometers. Rotation period of Mercury is 59 days. Solar orbit period is 88 days. Surface gravity of Mercury is 3.7 meter per square, and the surface temperature of Mercury is 167 Celsius. It is so high. The temperature in day is 4,073 degrees Celsius. Oh my God! And temperature at night is minus 183 Celsius. This is what about Mercury, the basic information. Now we will come to next planet and the second closest, and also known as morning and evening star, Venus, and it is also known as the hottest planet of solar system. And what is showing? Orbit. Encyclopedia. And equatorial diameter of Venus is 12,104 kilometers. Mass is 4.9 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Mean distance from Sun means that the distance from Sun of Venus is 108 million kilometers. Rotation period of Venus is 243 days and solar orbit period 225 days. That means that Venus takes 225 days to complete its one solar orbit period. And surface gravity is 8.9 meters square. Surface temperature is 462 Celsius, and that's why it is also known as hottest planet. And you can see Venus in morning and evening, and that's why it is also known as morning and evening star. So let's go to the next planet, which is our home, Earth. We know much about Earth, but these are some basic information. Equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers. Mass is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg of Earth, and the distance from Sun of Earth is 150 million kilometers, and the rotation period of Earth is 23 hours 56 minutes. But we count it as 24 hours in a day, but technically there are 23 hours 56 minutes. And solar orbit period is 1 year, that is 365 days. And surface gravity is 9.8 meters square, and surface temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, which is an average temperature. Now let's go to the next planet, which is Mars. Before Mars, we should also know about our natural satellite, which is Moon. So let's see it. Wait a second, and we have to see. Wait. Joystick. Explore. Visit. Okay. We are very much close to it. Now we will see about Moon. This is the orbit of Moon around the Earth. And now encyclopedia. Yes. So the equatorial diameter of Moon is 3,476 kilometer, and it is also known that the mass, not the mass, the surface area of Moon is equal to the surface area of the continent Africa, as I know, but you can also search it. And mass is 7.3 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. Mean distance from planet. It means that the distance of Earth and Moon is 384,978 kilometers. It is almost 4 lakh kilometers from Earth. Rotation period is 27 days, and orbital period is also 27 days only. The surface gravity of Moon is 1.62 meters square, and the surface temperature is minus 23 degrees Celsius. Oh, it is average, not the full one. Now let us see our Mars. Mars is the fourth planet, and it is also known as red planet also, because the soil of Mars is reddish in color. And now we will see about it. Equatorial diameter of Mars is 6,792 kilometers. The mass of Mars is 6.4 and 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. Mean distance from Sun, that means the distance of Mars from Sun, is 230 million kilometers, and the rotation period of Mars is 1.03 day. It is almost equal to the Earth. Solar orbit period is 1.88 years, and the surface gravity is 3.7 meters square. The surface temperature is averagely minus 63 degrees Celsius, and temperature in summers it is 17 degrees Celsius, and in winters it is minus 140 degrees Celsius. Oh, and Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Now let's come to the next planet, which is, these were the 4 planets, and they are also known as rocky planets also, because they are inside the asteroid belt. Now we will see the planets outside the asteroid belt, and the first planet outside the asteroid belt and the biggest in the solar system is Jupiter. This is Jupiter, and we will see about it. Equatorial diameter of Jupiter is 1,42,984 kilometers. It is very much huge. Mass is 1.9 into 10 raised to the power 27 kilograms kg. Mean distance from Sun, means the distance from Sun is 780 million kilometers. Rotation period is 9 hours 55 minutes. The Jupiter spins more faster than Earth, because it takes only 9 hours, almost 10 hours to complete its day, to complete its rotation, and solar orbit period is 11.9 years. That's great, because it has a the orbit of Jupiter is bigger, because it is farther than the other 4 rocky planets. And the surface gravity is 25 meter per second square. Oh, the gravity is more than Earth. It means that if your weight is 30, then if your weight is 30 on Earth, then it will be more than 60 on Jupiter, because of gravity, because it has more gravity than Earth. Surface temperature of Jupiter is averagely minus 120 degrees Celsius. Oh wow. Now we will see the moons. The moon of Jupiter are Callisto, and this is Io, Europa, and Ganymede. These are the 4 main, but there are also many moons also, but these are the 4 main. And next planet to the Jupiter, which is Saturn, and it is famous for its ring, and because it is having rings around it of asteroids, made of asteroids, so mostly people know Saturn. And the equatorial diameter of Saturn is 1,20,536 kilometers, and Saturn is also the second largest planet of our solar system. Mass is 5.7 into 10 raised to the power 26 kg. Mean distance from Sun 9.56 AU, which is astronomical units. Yes, and rotation period is 10 hours 39 minutes. Oh, it also spins faster than our Earth, and solar orbit period is 29 years. Yes, 29 years. Surface gravity is 10.4 meters square, and it is almost equal to our Earth only, but it is more than Earth's gravity. Surface temperature is minus 139 degrees Celsius. It is average. Now we will come to our next planet, which is Uranus, and where it is? Uranus. There it is. Now we will see Uranus. Oh wow, it is also having many moons. Equatorial diameter of Uranus is 51,118 kilometers. Mass is 8.7 into 10 raised to the power 25 kg. Mean distance from Sun is 19.2 astronomical units. Rotation period is 17 hours 14 minutes. And this is Uranus also spins faster than Earth, but there is something unique in Uranus, that when the axis of Earth is little much tilted than vertical, but totally the axis of Uranus is horizontally. That's why you can see that Uranus is having their moons in up and down direction, as you can see. as you can see down that there is base, and you can see that the planets moves like a giant wheel, and the axis of Uranus is very much tilted. That is very much unique in our solar system. And solar orbit period is 84 years, and surface gravity is 8.7 meters second square, and it is also almost equal to our Earth's gravity, but it is lesser than it. Surface temperature is minus 210 degrees Celsius. Oh my god, that is very much cold. And the moons of Uranus are Puck, Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, Oberon. These are the main moons basically. And the next planet after Uranus and the most farthest and the last planet is Neptune, and let us visit it. It is very much far than other planets. Equatorial diameter is 49,528 kilometers. Mass is 1.02 into 10 raised to the power 26 kg. Mean distance from Sun 30.1 astronomical units. And rotation period is 16 hours 6 minutes, which is faster than Earth. Solar orbit period is 165 years. Surface gravity is 11.2 meters square, meter second per meter second square, and which is more than Earth's gravity but almost equal to it. And the surface temperature is minus 200 degrees Celsius. And the two main moons are Proteus and Triton. This is the last planet, and we also know that Pluto was planet past few years, but it is now considered as a dwarf planet, so we should also see about it. First of all, we will visit, and it is very much far. How small? Oh, this is Pluto, and equatorial diameter is 2,374 kilometers. Mass is 1.31 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. Mean distance from Sun is 40.7 astronomical units. So that is much farther. And rotation period is 6.4 days. Solar orbit period is 248 years. Surface gravity is 0.66 meter per second square, and surface temperature is minus 228 degrees Celsius. Pluto is the largest object in the Kuiper belt. It is also the largest and the second most massive known dwarf planet in the solar system. And that is what about Pluto. And this is our whole solar system. And this is the outermost asteroid belt, and it is bigger than the middle one. See, you can compare its size. And this is our solar system. And the most nearest star after the Sun is Proxima Centauri. I will show it to you, and it will now come. There it is, Ligio Centaurus. Yes, Alpha Centauri, sorry. It is Alpha Centauri, and constellation Centaur, distance 4.37 light years. Oh. And this is all about it. Proxima Centauri. Yes, it is also known as Proxima Centauri, Ptolemy, Ligio Centaurus. Okay. And we should see it once. Oh, there is also one planet, I think. Oh, it is most like Sun only. Yeah, but it is more faded than Sun. And this is Ptolemy. It is also another star, I think. Yes, it is also triple star system, Alpha Centauri. Oh, so this is a triple star system, but I can't see the third one. Oh, there it is, Proxima Centauri. Oh, so this is the triple star system. Now I understand. So this was for today, and we know very much about the basic information about the solar system. And so I hope you guys you liked the video, and hope you enjoyed it. So thank you and have a nice day.